We're going to show you how to attach your Pod 2.0 IV lock box to an IV pole. First, unlock and open the pod. Locate the locking wheel at the back of the box and loosen it by turning it counterclockwise. Next, unscrew the mounting knob by also turning counterclockwise. Locate it on the outside of the pod, enough to make room for the IV pole. Once you've had the pod in place at the desired location on the pole, tighten the mounting knob by turning clockwise. Now tighten the locking wheel inside the pod, again by turning clockwise. Once the wheel is tightened, the pod cannot be removed from the pole without opening. It can hold 2 IV bags, both 500 and 1,000 milliliters. For additional security, the IV pod is designed to use security seals. Simply thread 1 or 2 seals through the holes and pull. Your lockbox assembly is complete. If you have a pod with a keyless entry digital lock, you can find a link in the description below for video instructions on how to use the lock. If you found this video useful, click that like button and subscribe to our channel.